Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a tour of Highway 2000, or the Mandeville Highway as it's sometimes called. We are on the Melrose Hill bypass and we are looking at the construction that's going on the bypass. So Highway 2000 is going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass into its alignment. So that's the section from Maypen to Mandeville, which is what we're looking at now. This section of the highway is going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass, and this is actually the bypass we're on. So you can see them building more lanes on the right because the highway is going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway. So on the right you can see the construction going on. So the new alignment of this section of the highway takes you from the Maypen roundabout to the Williamsfield roundabout. And from the Maypen roundabout to Clarendon Park, it's going to run alongside or to the south of the Maypen bypass. Then, south of the Maypen bypass to Clarendon Park. And then from Clarendon Park to Melrose Hill, it's going to run over the hill. And then when it comes out to the Melrose Hill bypass, it's going to incorporate the bypass and go to the Williamsfield roundabout, where it will end. And then after that highway is finished, they will continue the highway from the Williamsfield roundabout to St. Elizabeth, bypassing Spur Tree Hill. And then from there, it will eventually go from St. Elizabeth to Montego Bay. So that is the alignment of the highway. And this is the Melrose Hill section of the highway. This is actually the last part of this section of the highway to be built. The highway from Maypen to Clarendon Park is finished. And from Clarendon Park over the hill, some sections are finished. They're still working on some. But the last part will be where the Melrose Hill bypass incorporation. So that's what they're working on now. The highway is actually over 90% complete and is scheduled to open early next year. I think I heard March 2023. So this is the Williamsfield roundabout. So if we turn left here, we go into Mandeville. If we go straight there or turn left there, we go on the Winston Jones Highway or the Mandeville bypass. To go where left now, that is carrying us into Williamsfield. And straight ahead where this road is blocked off, that would take us on to the Melrose Hill bypass. But because the highway is being incorporated into the bypass, you can't access the Melrose Hill bypass from that side right now. When it's opened and finished, you can drive from there to Porus again, but for now you have to actually go over Melrose Hill. Alright, so we are on the Winston Jones Highway now, or the Mandeville bypass. Winston Jones was a prominent politician in the Mandeville area, and so the highway was named after him. Now, the route of the highway from Maypen to St. Elizabeth has not been, we are not sure what the route will be. Will it incorporate this road and they change it into 4 lanes? Will they build a new road and leave this road as is? We're not sure. No date has been announced for the start of this leg of the highway, but it will run from Williamsfield to St. Elizabeth, bypassing Spur Tree Hill. So they're actually going to build a Spur Tree Hill bypass, which will be a part of the highway. So as soon as we get information on that leg of the highway, we will let you know. But it should start as soon as the other section is finished. I assume it's going to start sometime next year, but no official date has been given or cost or anything. Alright, so this is the Winston Jones Highway and it bypasses Mandeville. town of Mandeville, I should say. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.